Hello my friend, today I would like to show you how to record your screen with OBS Studio. For free, of course. Now we want to add a new scene. We call it OBS Tutorial. Okay. Now you can hear, you see and you hear. This display capture is the monitor which I use to record my stuff. I have now OBS on the second monitor. I'll show you. Now it is. Now it isn't. And then we have to add audio output capture device. I choose Out12. Audio input capture. We see what we have in here. Yes, this is correct. And then we want to add the webcam. Video capture device. Add existing because I had existing, and make it smaller. Make it more square with the Alt button and move it where we like more. And I think it was easy. We want to make it very easy. We go to settings. This is all default. Well, English. I am Italian and it was Italian, but just to show you, everything is default. Here. Appearance. Default. Stream. I stream from YouTube. In service you choose your streaming service, and I don't stream yet anyway. Output, this is quite important. I have the video bitrate at 3500 and the audio bitrate at 320. Encoder preset slow, good quality. I have an NVIDIA 3060 with 2 gigs of RAM. And the audio encoder, there is just one option. I use just one audio track. You can choose 6 audio track. When you use recording, you can't change the settings. I keep 30 frames per second and the same aspect ratio and resolution for both the canvas and the output resolution. Then hotkeys. If you are working with just one monitor, I put start recording 1 and stop recording 2 by the number keyboard. I'm working on a desktop. In here you choose, you pick the number you want and then apply. I did this for you because I just work with two monitors, one for OBS and one for the output. I don't know if I mentioned in settings, output, I record in Matryoshka video MKV format because it's better than MP4. Then anyway I have to convert them in MP4 to upload on YouTube. And another thing I want to tell you that in advance I keep as default. I don't touch them in any way. This is the new project in DaVinci Resolve, and I want to import all the video we have until now. I show you that in here we can have some problems. I put all of them in the timeline. Here we are in DaVinci Resolve. I drop all the videos in the timeline. And some problems may appear now. I show you. I go to export the video, YouTube, add to render queue, render all. This is interesting. No problem appeared in this session, but if you have a media offline problems, it can be a codec problem. So I show you. So if you have a problem that you have the media offline error in DaVinci Resolve or in whatever editing video program you are using, there is a small program that is called Handbrake, and I show you how you can use it. I picked 3 files. I have many. And I show you it is something I don't understand programmers, but anyway I'm not a programmer, and I had to spend all the morning trying to figure out how I can use this stuff, because I want to keep NKV file because they have better quality than MP4. So I have to choose from here a file, choose a file, go to browse. It goes in my folder Codec, and I have to rename it 1, for example, whatever you want to rename it. I do this because it's more comfortable. save, and add to queue. And you have to repeat this process for all the files you want to recodec. This one, browse, rename number 2, as we say, add to queue. Now we have 2 files on queue. The third, browse, three, save, add to queue, and then start queue and wait that the Handbrake recodec all the files. And this is strange because I had media offline problems with OBS all the times, and this indeed resolved this problem. I wait, it finish, it takes a little bit, so I stop and I restart after it finishes. It doesn't take long. I recodec these 3 files, but anyway, it has a kind of working with that is quite annoying to me, but is more annoying that you are editing a video in DaVinci Resolve, you spend quite a long time to editing it, and it can't render it properly after you spend a lot of time because it doesn't not read properly the codec. This is the only problem I had with DaVinci Resolve and OBS. With the camera I had the files imported correctly. With OBS, I don't know if it OBS fault is my computer fault, but anyway, this resolves this problem very well. I hope, my friend, I did this video clear for you to make it not too difficult to apply for your content. But anyway, if you have to ask something, just ask and I try to respond to all the comments I can. Right now I have 0 subscribers, 1 comment, so I'm not so busy. If you are still here, I hope you have learned something from this video and it has been useful to you. I hope you will make good use of it. If you want to subscribe, I will be very happy. Thanks for your time and see you in the next video. Ciao.